At Medanta, the meta city, pioneering is not just a word, it's a legacy. A legacy that has shaped our every endeavor, including one of our most impactful initiative, Mission TB Free India. Tuberculosis remains a major public health challenge in India. In 2023, more than 25 lakh people were affected with TB. Despite TB being a curable disease, it is impeding the progress on nearly all sustainable development goals. Delays in diagnosis of TB has been one of the major challenges faced by the country. In collaboration with the Haryana state government, in 2014, Medanta initiated Mission TB Free Haryana, a public-private and a private-private partnership model. This partnership demonstrates doorstep TB screening service delivery through a mobile X-ray van. The initiative was a result of strategic dialogue among national leaders, orchestrated by the Central TB Division, USAID, and the Union. It was launched in 2015 by the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar, renowned actor Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and the then US Ambassador Mr. Richard Verma to bring the much needed attention to TB.
स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं की दृष्टि से टीबी एकदम समाप्त कब होगी कब नहीं, लेकिन कम से कम उसकी क्यों उसका इलाज उसकी ट्रीटमेंट इस लेवल तक हो जाए कि हर सामान्य व्यक्ति को भी उसका लाभ मिले.
I want to thank Dr. Trajan for picking up something that came out of a casual conversation and putting this entire Vedanta city and its entire force, which Dr. Trajan, I had the good fortune to witness for the very first time. And I must say, I have never seen anything like this anywhere else in the world.
To further India's commitment to eliminate TB, in 2018, the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi called for multi-sectoral collaboration for advancing access to TB services till the last mile.
ऐसा मेरा दृढ़ विश्वास है, कोई भी बीमारी को खत्म करने के लिए मल्टी सेक्टरल इंटरवेंशन की आवश्यकता होती है.
Subsequently, Medanta intensified its response against TB by partnering with corporates, PSUs, and NGOs. We expanded our reach of TB services, starting from a single van to expanding many such services across districts and initiating local efforts to fostering national partnerships. In 2019, Medanta was among the first corporate hospital to sign up for the corporate TB pledge at the highest level of commitment, the Diamond Tier. With the support from the government, Medanta initiated various programs and demonstrated models, including setting up a DRTB center in a private hospital, screening of homeless population, and forging private-private partnerships to expand the initiative. These efforts have been highly appreciated and acknowledged at different international and national forums. Under the visionary leadership of Dr. Naresh Trehan, Medanta has become an epitome of excellence in India's fight against TB.
So today we are marking the 10th anniversary of our effort to try to eliminate TB from India. We started with one van, now we have 6 vans which are fully equipped to do complete diagnostics in TB. And also we have covered the entire state of Haryana. In the 10th year, now we are analyzing our entire experience and what are the learnings that we can share with the rest of the country. So this is an important landmark, and I do appreciate the cooperation of all the corporates and their generous support for this effort.
As we march towards a Vikshit Bharat, Medanta remains steadfast in its commitment to supporting the country in its fight against TB. Together, we can make India TB free.